Hey everyone, welcome back. So for those who are new here, let me tell you a little about this channel. I am Priyanka from Homely Mess, and I create a lot of DIYs and go for home makeovers. But today I have something different to bring to all of you. So I recently visited hometown during the early hours where there are not a lot of people to get some home furnishing stuff for my house. And so I've been collecting all these for some time now. Like I've bought few things from online, and then I recently went to hometown to get all these home furnishing things, and I was waiting to do a video around all these purchases that I did. So let me start the video and show them to all of you. So this is a queen size bed sheet. It comes with 2 pillows and it's 100% cotton, guys, and if you can see, it's floral. It has floral patterns on it. I love floral bed sheets, so I would recommend always to go for cotton, because I've had instances earlier where I have gotten mixed, like a cotton plus some other material mixed with it, and it's very difficult to sleep on it. Cotton is really comfortable, and I would always recommend you to go for 100% cotton. So this bed sheet, so it looks something like this. So this was for some 2299, and they gave me a discount of 689. So in total I purchased this for around 1600. It was a good buy. So next I got this off-white curtain. It's a 7 feet long curtain, and it has some pattern on it. You can see. So this I'm going to team up with this sheer curtain here. So this is an embroidered curtain. This is how it looks. So they both come in a pack of 2, and they are 7 feet long. So for my windows, I usually use long 7 feet curtains because they give a grand feel to it, and also I have 2 rods for my curtains. So this one will go in front, and this one will go behind it, so it will give a very good this white and golden combination, and it's going to look really grand and beautiful. The off-white was for 995, and this one, the sheer curtain, this is for some 1295, and the sheer curtains are usually on a higher range because of the material that they come in, and also the embroidery. The embroidery here is very delicate and intricately done, so this is what they are charging us for. So next I have this sheer curtain. So this also comes in a pack of 2, and this is for my doors, for my interior doors. So we have 2 rooms in our home, and these curtains are for the interior ones. So this is also a sheer curtain, and it has stripes on it, unlike the one that the golden one had. It had embroidery on it. So this is how it looks. So this came for some 1900, and I love sheer curtains because they give a very nice airy and flowy feel to your home. And curtains are not just for utility purpose anymore now, it's more of a style statement. So go for a really nice, cool, soft, and if possible, sheer ones to give a more beautiful look to your home. So yeah, so this is my third purchase. So next is this diffuser. It's a small and cute diffuser, and it has a plug-in here, so it also acts as a night lamp. So when you plug it in, it has a small bulb here. So it goes in like this, and then when you plug it in, it will radiate a warm glow. And if you see, there are intricate designs here. So it's like a Moroccan design. This is how it looks. So when we plug it in, and this is going to radiate a patterned look on the wall itself, and this was for some 890, and they gave me a discount of 90 rupees, so I got it for 800. And going to its original purpose, there's a small cup in here where we can put in water and essential oil or camphor, whatever you like, and it's going to radiate that fragranced vapor into the air, and it's really going to calm us down. So I'm going to put all this up and show it to all of you how it actually looks, like all the bed sheets and the curtains and this lamp too. So before that, let me show all the online furnishing items which I got for my home. So the next lot I got from Westside, their online store, and trust me guys, even they too have an amazing collection. So this is a self-colored beach queen size bed sheet. Even this too is 100% cotton, and it comes with 2 pillow covers. And to team up with this, I have these amazing rectangular shaped pillows. Let me show it to you. So this is the design that it has on it. Even this is embroidered, and if you can see, it has little beads on it here. So earlier when I got this, I thought this is going to be a little bit of a problem with the beads, you know, it might hurt us. But trust me, they do not bother you at all. They are too minute to be, you know, disturbing you. So yeah, so I'm going to team this up with this plain self-colored bed sheet. It's going to come like this. I'll put all this up and I'll show it to you. I don't know if it's making any sense right now. So next I have these pillow covers. Again, they are rectangular ones, and they have little tassels on them, and I love tassels. People who have seen my earlier videos would know how much I love tassels because of all the videos, you know, at least 2 to 3 DIYs are already on tassels. Let me show it to you closely. Now for those rectangular pillow covers, I have got these pillows. I searched it at a lot of places online as well as in hometown, but I did not get those. But Westside has this amazing collection of this sized pillow. Now the size of these guys I don't really remember. I will put it in the description box, and also the cost of the lot which I got from Westside, I don't remember the price right now. So I'll just check them out online, and I will put it all in the description box so you can go see it for yourself. And last but not the least, I got this towel. It's a pinkish mauve colored towel, and it's soft. It's really huge, but it's very light and super absorbent. So yeah, even so they have this in many other colors. They have a range of pastel shades of these towels. So yeah, you can go check them out. So let me just put them all up and show it to you. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please hit the like button, And if you like DIYs, home makeovers and shopping hauls like these, then please do subscribe to my channel. So before closing off, just a word of precaution guys, that when you're going out, just make sure that you're wearing your gloves and your mask and you have your hand sanitizer handy with you. So go ahead, decorate your home and make it as beautiful as you. On that note, I'm signing off for today. See you in my next video. Bye.